Hi, my name is Joyce and I am the makeup artist for today. And this is my model.
Hi, I'm Sammy.
First, we're going to put the paper towel. And I will sanitize my hand. Now, let's going to finish the makeup. Let's do for the... Now, we will continue the other side of the face. And let's define and fill in the gap by using this. And brow definer. Now I finished define the gap, fill the gap. I will apply this Anastasia Brow Freeze Gel. So after the eyebrow, I'm going to apply for the eyeshadow. But let's not forget to define, to put a concealer to define the brow, to make it more clear and more neat eyebrow. Now we're done already for the eyebrow. We're doing the eyeshadow. I'm using the eyeshadow palette. We will use the color that her to stand out for her skin tone. First, we apply this. Just blend the eyeshadow. Now we are done. From the product that we use, which one are you going to take, madam?
I would like to take all.
Wow, amazing. Okay, thank you so much, Sevi. I got your information already. Thank you so much for your time. I will message you if we have like new collection for next time.
Okay, thank you.
These are the product that we use from the makeup application. Again, this is your makeup artist, Joyce. Thank you so much.